query 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet or 6, 7, 8 is Pythagorean triplet. So here are two formulas to find out or to verify the Pythagorean triplet. With the first formula is you have done in 7th standard. This is related to right angle triangle, and this is base, this is altitude, this is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is always bigger side than these two separately, right? Hypotenuse I have taken from these three numbers. I have taken 5 is the bigger number, so I am taking here 5 as a hypotenuse. 3 or 4 base or altitude, anyone you can take. So I am taking here 3 square plus 4 square. Separately I will verify, I will find out the value left hand side and right hand side. In the end we will fill here is equal to or not is equal to. So this is 25, this is 9 plus 16. Now here 25 is equal to 25. So left hypotenuse square is equal to altitude plus base square. So these three numbers are satisfying this formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. This is Pythagorean formula. So it means 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplet. Second formula is, this is second formula. I am rubbing it now. Second formula, are these 3, 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. So here one more formula is, this is proved formula. This is 2m, any altitude, and this is base, this is altitude. 2m square, one is m square minus 1, second m square plus 1. So this is the bigger member of the family. These two are, one is base, one is altitude. So I will see, this is 2. 2 means multiple of 2, and from the Pythagorean, from the given triplet you will find out the even number only, and you will equate 2m is equal to even number, and here 3, 4, 5, 4 is the even number. Similarly here 6, 7, 8, there are two even numbers, 6 and 8. So you will take smaller number is equal to 2m. 8 we will not take, क्योंकि 8 जो है that will be equal to bigger number. We will see is this Pythagorean triplet. पहले हम इसको confirm करते हैं इसके साथ, फिर इसको करेंगे, right? Now this is 2m. 2m is multiple of 2. Here in these three numbers multiple of 2. This is 2m. This is proved formula. You have to take it directly. So here it is. We will take it 2m is equal to 4 and m is equal to 4 upon 2. That is m is equal to 2. Now fill the value in these three. This is 2m. 2 into 2, this is 2m, then m square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, then m square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, right? 2 square plus 1. Now see, this is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, well the 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 that is 3, 2 square plus 1 that is 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, this is 5. So 3, 4, 5, this is Pythagorean triplet with the help of 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. This is the smallest member, or this is the multiple of 2. Now we are going to start 6, 7, 8 with the help of this formula. Is it clear? So because 3, 4, 5 we have find out with the help of this formula, and given is 3, 4, 5, so this is Pythagorean triplet, means these three measurements can make the right angle triangle. One more form we have to find out. We are going to verify 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Now 6 and 8. Bigger number you will not take, you will take 6. This is multiple of 2, this is multiple of 2. 2m is equal to 6, so m is equal to 6 upon 3, 6 upon 2, that is 3. Now fill the value. This is 2m, 2 into 3. Second is m square minus 1, m is equal to 3, 3 square minus 1, and m square plus 3, 3 square plus 1. Now this is 6. 3 square means 3 3s are 9 minus 1, that is 8. 3 3s are, this is 3 to 3 square means 3 3s are 9 plus 1, this is 10. Here it is 6, 8 and 10. Here it is 6, 7 and 8. So these are not satisfying this formula 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1, because this formula is giving 6, 8 and 10. So this is not Pythagorean triplet. So no, this is not Pythagorean triplet. Is it clear? Thank you.